What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0. King Hussle Crazy Reactions. King Hussle X1M. And turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom end of the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So, don't be fooled by these fake King Hussle pages out there. You gotta be more smart now. If any King Hussle page randomly start writing you, trying to get you to send them some money, red flag. Any King Hussle page that got more followers than they got more, they follow more people, they got more followers, red flag. And before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything, so let's get this thing started, all right? So today, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 fast. I'm going to tell you how you can make $10,000 fast, because there's a lot of people out there that want to make money. It's a lot of people out there that's tired of living check to check. There's a lot of young people out there that want to make money and do whatever they want to do, all right? And there's a lot of people out there that just need money to live life, because it takes money to make money and it takes money to live, point blank, period. So I'm going to show you some things and some ways for you to be productive so you can start making some money, all right? So today's video is going to be how to make $10,000 fast. So the first thing you want to do to make $10,000 fast is you want to make sure you got you a bank account, checking and savings account, all right? Because a lot of people don't understand it's easier to spend money when it's easier to touch it. But it's harder to spend money when it's harder to touch it. So if you got some money in the bank and you don't got a debit card or something like that, it's going to be harder for you to go to that bank and get that money out that bank account. It's going to be harder for you to go use that debit card because you don't have a debit card. So that money's just going to sit there and you're going to let that money sit there. All right, so you want to make sure you got your bank account, checking and savings account, all right? You want to make sure you got you at least two. So one with a debit card and one without a debit card. So the one without a debit card is going to be your primary savings account, where you're saving your money at, that's when you're never going to touch that, and your next bank account is going to be you saving money and you got money to spend, pay bills, and live life, all right? So boom, you want to get you a bank account, two bank accounts, checking and savings. Second, you want to figure out, okay, there's so many ways to make money out there, right? There's so many ways to make money. Everybody wants something. Everybody needs something. And the way the world works is off the 3 Ps: product, perception, and promotion. Point blank, period. If you have nothing to offer, no one's going to want you or need you for anything. So point blank, period. So if you got your product and you can promote this product and you can sell the perception for this product, you're going to get the consumer the idea that this is what they want, need, and they're going to buy it, point blank, period. So it's a lot of people selling the perception for a lot of different products out there in the world. And the way you do it is you got to brainwash the consumer. Once you brainwash the consumer to making them believe that your product is what they want, need, they're going to pay you for it. Just like, let me give you an example. I bet everybody out there who's watching this video uses Dawn washing dish detergent to wash their dishes, right? Right, because at the end of the day, that's the only dishwashing detergent we see on TV. They got the duck and the grease and all that, and they brainwash us and see it so much that we buy it when we go to the Walmarts, to the Costco, so wherever we get our household needs. And it's actually a good product. So they brainwash us into believing that we need Dawn. Boom. Why do we know all these songs? We've listened to all these songs on the radio so much, they put the songs over and over and over and over again until we is brainwashed into our head to know the words to these songs. Everything in the world is based off brainwashing. If you can put it in a person's face so much of this product that they want, need, they're going to buy it. So boom, what's going to be a product? There's so many different products out there. You got to really understand that nothing in life is going to be given to you. No one's going to buy, oh, here go $1 million. Oh, here go $500,000. Oh, here go $10,000. Oh, here go $5,000. It's not going to happen. You got to really sit down and get in tune with yourself and understand that, listen, Only person in control of my life is me. So what am I going to do to put myself in a position to make $10,000 a day, to make $10,000 a month, to make whatever I need to make in order for myself to be in a position to become successful? And there's a lot of things out there. And like I said, you can either have a product or you have some type of knowledge to give somebody to help them do what they need to do. And there's a lot of different ways to get different knowledge about different things. And like I said, you gotta think about it. Credit is the number one money game in the world. Credit has something to do with everything in the world. When you want to go get that car, they check your credit. When you want to get that apartment or that condo or that house, they check your credit. When you want to get that credit card or that store card, they check your credit. They check your credit for everything in the world that you want to do, because they want to see what you have going on. They want to make sure you're a reliable person and you can be trusted with whatever you got going on, right? So you got to think about it. It's so many different ways to outsource certain projects and certain things with certain people. You just got to get knowledgeable about it. So let me give you some examples. There's so many people out there that want to make passive income. There's so many people that's tired of working their 9-to-5 job. There's so many people out there that want to just live life free and be and not work for the next person, which is cool. You want to be your own boss. You want to put yourself in a position to win. And you got to understand, in order to do that, I hate to say it to you, but it's going to take a little leg work. It's going to take a little sacrifice. It's going to take you a little work that you probably not used to doing, because consistency is the key with whatever you're doing. I don't care if you selling your product on social media. I don't care if you think you a scammer. I don't care if you think you the best. Whatever you're doing, consistency will be the key. And what I mean by that is, okay, everybody want to make passive income. Everybody want to live life free. So if YouTube is giving you the opportunity to post videos and build your content, your platform, and your brand and get paid for this, why wouldn't you want to do it? And you got to be smart about it. Okay, if you want to make money off YouTube, figure out how to create certain YouTube channels. Figure out certain niches that people like. Figure out, okay, if I do to post these type of videos and use these type of hashtags, this will get that YouTube channel popping. Which means if I continue to do this and create this with certain people, I can get paid for it because the results are right there. Or you want to do it yourself, figure out how you can create a channel, a YouTube automation channel, which is a YouTube channel where you don't have to show your face. All you got to do is post videos that you can either create yourself or outsource, and people will watch it and view it all. They just have to be consistent. If you do hair, if you're a woman out there and you do hair and you make $300 a day, $500 the next day, $100 the next day, $100 the next day, then another $300, figure out what can you offer your clients in order for them to be consistent and make you a consistent $500-$600. So you got to think, you got to make sacrifices. If you come up with a $500 plan and and this $500 deal is worth $1,000 or $800, but you got more people coming to you, making way more money than you was making before you even made this plan. It makes sense. Now you're getting 10 people a day or 5 people a day to make it for $500. That's $5,000 to $10,000 you making a day. Make it make sense. You can make a lot of money. You just got to understand giving people what they want at a good pace and good services. Even if you don't know some things and you know people who are good at some things and they need a little help, a little investment, invest into them. As long as they wanted to help themselves, you should be able to help them. And to help them, if you help them, they'll help you make money without you having to do anything. This landscape and businesses out here is snowing around the place everywhere. Then you can literally go on Fiverr and create you anything that you want. You can create you a marketing business. You can create you an e-commerce business, a drop shipping business. You can create you a graphic design business. You can do anything that you want to do. You can create certain businesses and outsource them and provide them for certain people. If you drive trucks out there, I already gave you all the trucks off. If you got your CDLs and you tired of driving these trucks behind the truck, listen, find you 2 motivated people that's willing to work. Find you 2 people that you can help start your moving company with. Why? Because right now, the moving rate to move somebody out of town is $6,000 to $8,000, and the farther you go, the bigger the house, the more money it's going to take. And it's a lot of people moving West Coast warmer climates right now. So get you 2 to 3 people. Start your moving company. You don't even got to buy a box truck. You can go literally rent out U-Hauls. You can rent out trucks from U-Haul Enterprise. Once you start renting out these box trucks, start promoting your business. Start with local houses, so you start getting you some content, some videos, some pictures of you moving, your moving service. Start promoting on Facebook, Instagram. Snapchat, wherever you got to promote it. Put a little money behind the promotion so more people see the post. Because like I said, every day there's somebody moving. So every day there's an opportunity for you to get paid to move somebody's house. Boom, you move somebody out of town. Let's say they want to move to Milwaukee to Chicago. That's about an hour and 30 minutes away. You can charge them $6,000 to $8,000 to $10,000, depending on how big their house is and what they got going on. And all you had to do was rent a box truck. Boom. Okay, let's say Milwaukee to Chicago. Boom, you charge them $8,000. Boom, you got you 2 workers. Boom, you get them. You get them $1,500 a piece. That's $3,000. Boom, you got the rest as profit. How can you beat that? Make it make sense. Start putting people in a position to win off the information and the knowledge that you know. If you're doing something, if you're a teacher out there and you're tired of working a 9 to 5, okay, start you a YouTube channel where you start your own tutoring business, your own school, your own channel to teach the kids. And you never know how many people will start tuning in. It's all about consistency. It's all about actually having a blueprint and understanding what you want to do and working hard towards your goal and your dream. There's so many ways to make $10,000 a day. You just got to know what you want to do. You got to have a passion for what you're doing. You got to understand there's so many different ways to be sitting down and producing certain content and making a lot of money. You just got to be hard working and willing to do it and willing to make sacrifices. So if you want to make $10,000 a day, you just got to figure out what you want to do. Once you figure out what you want to do, you got to do your research behind that. You got to say, okay, I want to do this. Let me go on YouTube. Let me Google and see what everybody else who's doing the same thing, how they're doing it, how they're making their money. What are they doing to interest this type of people in this crowd, in this niche, so I can do it better and I can get the same amount of followers, the same amount of views, the same amount of subscribers, so I can elevate and do it better and make more money. You just got to sit back and do research. Once you start using your mind, once you start using the knowledge that you have, once you start paying attention and mature your brain and understand what's important in life, not hanging with these buddies every day that's not trying to elevate, not kicking around that girl that's not motivating you to, or that man that's not motivating you to do better in life. You got to put yourself and make sacrifices. You got to put yourself in the right positions, because maybe you need to get away from that person. Maybe you need to get away from these friends. Maybe you need to stop smoking that. Maybe you need to stop drinking that. Maybe you need to stop doing that and replace it with you spending time on how you're going to make your millions and your goals and how you're going to invest. And I guarantee you start making $10,000 a day. There's so many ways to make money a day that I can't tell you how to personally make $10,000 a day, one single thing, because at the end of the day, everybody's different. Everybody's mind and works different, and we're all different people. So you just got to take the information that I'm giving you, figure out, okay, what am I good at? What is my niche? What is my power? Because I don't care if you broke out there. I don't care if you're a kid out there. I don't care about none of that. Everybody was born with a certain gift. Everybody has some type of niche that they can get paid a lot of money for, all right? You just got to tap in with yourself, tap in with your inner thoughts, tap in with your inner body, be real with yourself, and figure out what it is. It might not be cool. It might not be popular. But if you stick with it, you can make it popular. You can make it cool. And like everything else, people want to start doing it once you start making money with it, because everybody in the world are followers. Don't be a follower, be a leader, succeed, and lead the people to the right path, right? So if you want to make $10,000 a day, figure out your niche, figure out your power, figure out the product that you're going to offer to the people that they want and need, and I guarantee you will succeed, all right? Figure out how you're going to invest in certain people and certain products that's doing something so you can make a percentage and you can make profit. It's a lot of different things that you could be doing. It's daycares out there. I own multiple daycares. You could be making a lot of money off these kids. It don't take a lot of money to invest and start up a daycare, all right? So you just got to do your research. You got to put in the time and the effort to really want to be successful in life. And once you do that, it'll happen, all right? So shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, and new subscribers to the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this awesome video. So shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all come get y'all lessons, all right? FaceTime 101 basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. Unlimited gems is $2,000. And book your seat right now in the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person, all right? Also, tap in if you want to be a part of the production company. I'm looking for all talented people. If you're ready to win, you're ready to elevate, you're ready to be put in a position to do things you've never been done before and make a lot of money and have fun, tap in. I'm looking for models, actors, rappers, content creators, producers, and cameramen, all right? So any models out there, you a beautiful lady out there, you a beautiful woman, you tired of being broke, you tired of the days going by and you not doing what you want to do, you tired of tired of being tired, tap in. I'm gonna put you all in the positions that you need to win. I'm gonna have you doing podcasts, blogs, music videos. Start your YouTube channel. I'm gonna teach you about YouTube automation. I'm gonna put you in so many different positions that you never would have thought of and have you making money. You can even keep your clothes on if you want to, and you're gonna be successful with it. All right. So make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. All right. So make sure you ain't got no bad attitude. Make sure you're ready to work, and I guarantee you we gonna win together and get this money together. Point blank. Period. Also, anybody out there with money, anybody out there with good music, you want me to look at it, you want me to pay attention to, you want to tap in. Music reviews is $200. If you're not willing to invest $200 into your craft, into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into yourself, into your craft? Make it make sense. You're not gonna be able to go nowhere else into none of these A&Rs, none of these record labels are like, hey, I'm the next big thing. Listen to me. We can make money together. I'm what you need. That's not gonna cut it. All right, so cut that out. Be about business. $200 music review. Don't got the two. I can't listen to you. Point blank. Period. All right. So be cool. Also, I'm looking for cameraman. Houston, Texas. Texas areas, surrounding areas. If you can travel, tap in. You got a 4K, 8K, 6K rig, whatever. As long as it's a 4K camera, you good with them editing skills, tap in with me. I'm ready to elevate with people, ready to get this content out there, ready how to show you how to make money off your content, all good type of stuff like that. Producers, tap in with me. Content creators, you got at least 500 subscribers and 2,000 watch time hours on YouTube, tap in with me. Also, you ready to make $3,000 a day, $90,000, $100,000 a month, tap in with me. I'm going to show you something called YouTube automation, which means you can make multiple YouTube channels, drop videos, outsource the videos without showing your face and make a lot of money, all right? And I'm going to show you how to do that. So $500 if you want me to teach you how to do that, and $1,000 if you want me to create your channel, drop 5 videos with SEOs, and get your channel started, all right? So make sure you tap in with me. Make sure y'all watching these videos throughout the whole video so you can get all the knowledge. And I'll see you next video. It's your boy King Hussle. Let's get this money. Peace. Oh, yeah. Anybody that come to my DMs on IG, please, please, please stop saying yo. Don't yo me. Don't send me no more messages with yo or none of that. Every video I tell y'all my prices and what's going on, Cash App payment or Walmart to Walmart payment. All right, so if you're not payment ready when you DM me on my IG, it's a waste of time. I'm not going to respond, all right? So if you're not talking money or business when you DM me on IG, I will not respond. Just a heads up, right? So I'll see you next video. Let's get this money. Peace.